Well, good afternoon, everyone. I probably look like crap right now, but I'm really nice and sweaty, and I want to get this video done because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm getting in a shower to cool off, and because it's really hot outside, and I am totally exhausted. Anyway, I wanted to show you that yes, I went up there today, and I paid for my mailbox. Here's the receipt. See, it came up to, let me see. And it wasn't as expensive as I thought it was. It was, well, I think that said $93.15. So I guess the first time you pay it, there's extra fees, but, and get this, about on my way home from paying this bill, I was informed that I have a package ready to be picked up. But, I will go back up there on Friday and pick it up. Yes, I will. It's very hot, and it's going to be very hot again on Friday. Yes. So, I did make it to Dairy Queen, and I was able to pick up some other stuff, but, yes, and that's what happened today. I walked all the way there. I walked all the way to the bus stop, and I'm sorry, I'm very tired right at the moment, and very hot. I just guzzled a gallon of water. I'm starting to feel a little better, but I'm not quite there yet, but I'm getting there. But, yeah, so that's pretty much what I did today. This is going to be a very short video. I've got my videos to add from when I went shopping today, so that's coming up next. I hope you will enjoy tonight's video, and I hope everybody had a nice day. And I will see you at the end of the video. Okay? So, yes. So enjoy tonight's video, and I will see you all later. Dairy Queen. Here's your hunger blister. Bye. I'll get my frost. The blizzard when I'm done. Look at that. $14.05 for anything. Okay, see you guys later. No, I didn't eat all my fries, but I didn't really want to. Okay. See you guys later. Got my blizzard. And a bite. Gotta get some cream. Wherever it is. I don't know where the cream is. Gotta be here somewhere. I hate not being able to find stuff. Oh, found it. I found it. Here it is. Gotta have cream for coffee. See?
Okay, I'll clean that up.
There. Alright. Let's see what else we can find. Alright. Now we're done getting stuff. Let's see what else I need on here. I could use one of those, but I'm not carrying that home today. Look at that. I want to do that. Look at that. $44.96. No, I don't need that one. How much is this one? $1.21. Ooh. Alright, let's see what else we can find in this darn store. Butter, garbage bags. I don't need those. Sponges, charcoal. Nothing. I really don't want to come back up here again. Oops, I dropped something. Nothing. I think I'm done with here. I really think I'm done in here. Ooh, okay. See if I can find a coffee cup with a lid on it. Ooh, this one's only $14.98. Oh, it's a coffee cup with a lid on it. Yes, I think this will work. Right? This one's 11. This one's 11. Stainless steel. Awesome. There's a really lot of nice cups in here. But you know what? I think I'm gonna get this one. Yes, it has a lid. See? And I can put coffee in it. Yes. No more leaves and gunk in my coffee. Yep, I think I'll get this. Yep, we're getting a new coffee mug. Doesn't hold a lot of coffee, but I can get off my hiney and get another cup if I need to. Okay, let's see what else I need. I'm gonna go over to the cat food section and see what I can find for my cats to eat tonight. They have food, but they might like something special. They've been eating seafood for 2 days. I have to remember to get a $20 cash back when I leave, before I leave. So I need bus money for the next couple of weeks. This is a really nice day. It's hot outside. Excuse me. I got the hiccups. Now I got a coffee cup for coffee and one for water. Let's go see what they got for cat food, huh? Why do I... Yeah. Should be something around here they like. I'm gonna try to find some fillets. They like fine fillets. I don't have a lot to choose from. Savory chicken, 57 cents. Chicken and salmon dinner. Mariner's cats, they've been eating that all week. No Friskies. Oh, it's down there. Those are 78 cents. Turkey giblets. What's this? Ocean whitefish and tuna. No, I don't want that. 200, please. Sharona, 200. Salmon. Okay, I can spend $1 on these. I gotta carry all this stuff home. I can do this. It's not gonna fit in my backpack. I will buy a bag. Okay, this pate. Yes, it is. See, pate. I hope they like it. I really hope they like it. I guess that's it. Well, I got Friskies, but it's way down there. These are 57 cents, right? Those are 78 cents. No, I guess I'll get the 57-cent ones, and hopefully they like it. I guess that's all. Now we'll go to checkout. And I gotta get a couple of things while I'm there. And we'll leave. Okay. Catch y'all in a little bit.